Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Samsung oven and you're getting an LE error. So if you're getting an LE error, what is it and how to get rid of it? So an LE error is a low voltage error. So the oven is sensing that it is not getting enough voltage to operate properly. So what you're going to want to do, the first thing you're going to want to do is completely disconnect it from power and make sure that all the wiring is correct and is turned on and everything like that. Make sure you shouldn't be using an extension cord that might not be able to carry enough electricity. You should have it plugged directly into the wall or wired directly into a circuit. And if you can, have it on a dedicated circuit to make sure that nothing else is sucking juice off of the circuit, which is preventing the oven from getting enough voltage. Once you've done that and you've left it off for a while to let it hard reset anyways when you turn it back on. When you turn it back on, hopefully, and you've checked all the wiring, you should be able to get rid of this error. And if you haven't been able to get rid of the error at that point, you're probably going to need to call out for assistance. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.